Now that we know how to do the futur proche, let us try to write some sentences. Écrivez ce qu'ils vont faire demain. So write what they are going to do tomorrow. Now the first sentence, aujourd'hui, today, je travaille, I work. And the action given for us is rester à la maison. Rester à la maison. So they've asked us to write what they will be doing tomorrow. So we begin the sentence with demain, tomorrow. The subject is je. And now we are going to write something in the future. So aller plus infinitive. Now what is the aller conjugation for je? It is vais. Je vais. And the verb given to us is rester. It is already in the infinitive form. So we write it as it is. Demain, je vais rester, and you complete the action à la maison. Demain, je vais rester à la maison. So this is how you write the futur proche. Moving on to the next sentence. Aujourd'hui, elle regarde la télévision. Today, she watches the television. The action given to us is lire le journal. Lire le journal. Again, our sentence begins with demain. And the subject given is elle. And what is the aller conjugation for elle? It is va. Elle va. And the verb given to us is lire le journal. So this is in the infinitive form. Aller conjugation plus the verb in the infinitive form. The next sentence. Aujourd'hui, nous faisons du sport. Today, we did the sport. And the verb they've given us is rencontrer des amis. Rencontrer des amis. So again, the sentence begins with demain. The subject is nous. And now to write the futur proche. For nous, the aller conjugation is allons. Nous allons, and the verb in the infinitive. Nous allons rencontrer des amis. And finally, the last sentence. Aujourd'hui, ils se détendent. Today, they rest, relax. And the verb given to us is aller. Aller à l'université. So now, in the futur proche, we write the aller conjugation plus the verb in the infinitive. So this is the verb that is given to us. So we have to write the aller conjugation of the subject plus this verb. In this case, the verb is also aller, so we must be careful. We shouldn't get confused. So we begin the sentence with demain. And the subject is il. And to write the future tense, so this is the conjugation of aller for ils. Ils vont, and the verb in the infinitive, it is aller. So both these are aller verbs, but this is conjugated and this is in the infinitive form. À l'université. So We will read this once again. The first sentence. Aujourd'hui, je travaille. Demain, je vais rester à la maison. Aujourd'hui, elle regarde la télévision. Demain, elle va lire le journal. Aujourd'hui, nous faisons du sport. Demain, nous allons rencontrer des amis. Aujourd'hui, ils se détendent. Demain, ils vont aller à l'université. So this is how we write the futur proche, something that is in the near future. You write the LR conjugation of that particular subject plus the verb in the infinitive form.